little bit of stuff to do. I gotta put transmission fluid in, coolant, wiring, update the firmware, and then we're good to start it finally. So I'm just doing this firmware update, and then I'm gonna try and start it. We'll see how it goes. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, so coolant is in, transmission fluid's in, oil's in, sensors are checked and plugged in. I'm trying to go over a checklist in my head, make sure I didn't forget anything. So the wiring is done in the trunk for the fuel pump. I gotta check for leaks for the fuel.
It's still going. 40. Oh, I hear stuff.
I hear it leaking somewhere.
I know it. I just heard it.
See it leaking on?
But I don't.
Check this down the side of the boat.
Yes. Found it. Right there.
So, first I tried to start it, then the fuel pump didn't come on. Turns out I didn't hook the ground up, of course. Then I started it, and then I don't know if you remember, there's a video on here on my fuel setup, and I have a cooler that I turned a transmission cooler into a fuel cooler, and I had to drill and tap the hole out to fit -10. So I used PTFE tape to try and seal it up, and that didn't work. It leaked. So, and then before I really thought how to fix the issue, I was like, all right, I'll just pull it out and then put a line in between. But I have a welder now, so I could have just welded it up, welded the fitting to the housing. Anyways, I'm not used to having a welder yet. And plus, I don't know how to weld aluminum. Like, I've only done maybe 4 or 5 beads on aluminum. So, I have like a little bit of argon left, so I don't have enough to learn how to weld it and then weld it. I have either or, so I'm gonna wait till I get some more argon. I just put a little adapter line in there. You can't really see it, and I'm not getting back under there because I want to start it and I'm hella impatient. So there's no more excuses. So now I just got to check for leaks. I got to prime it, because once the last time I primed it, it leaked over there. I fixed that, and it got up to like 45. But it wasn't steady because it was leaking. So I got to check all these fittings now and then start it. So bring you along for the ride. Tell me what that pressure gauge goes up to.
Okay. $50. $50.